It was my dream since start of my journey to work for a Tata group, and TTL has been the dearest to me because of the earlier touch bases and attempts which I have made in TTL. And me and my one of my friends, we just thought standing over there in the pavements of that Blue Ridge compound, will be able to work for this organization. We will be there in that office. Working this organization is always a dream which has been accomplished now.
And the automotive industry has always excited me. And Tata Technologies seem to be a part of Tata, which every Indian, I'm pretty sure, is feels proud to be associated with. So, in a nutshell, yes, it drives me.
Yeah, like being a fresher, I was so scared to work with TTS. So Uday, he's my colleague. He taught me everything with, I would say, lots of patience. I got appraisals from like everyone, and here I have been now. So my journey so far is inspiring. That wouldn't have been possible without 3D principle he taught me in the beginning. That is discipline, determination, and dedication.